is going to be unboxing of the daily goodie box for the month of October. For October. Today I have my horns. These are for Maleficent, or that's what I want to think.
No,
and
for Halloween, Biff.
For Halloween, says Luna. Yeah, so let's get started. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. And if you're today, thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe. Do all of those goodness. I do unboxings, DIYs, sometimes recipes. It's just a bubble. Alrighty there. Let's get to the daily goodie box unboxing for the month of October. Down in the description box will be the link to every single item that you have, that I have in this box that you might be interested on, and you can click and directly go buy the item if you like to. And also the link to where you can go and sign up to get a daily goodie box yourself. Remember, you have to review the items that you get here back in order to qualify to get a box to your home. It is real. I have it in my hand. They do get delivered. So let's get started with the unboxing. I like to surprise myself. So let's surprise myself. Oh my gosh, today is kind of hard. There you go. As usual, the little blue linen paper, and the paper right here that basically tells me what I just told you. And then I'm going to surprise myself. I'm going to put my hand in there. Most of the items here, like I always say, every single month are full-size items. Yay! What in the world? Green goo? Ew. Green goo. It's a deodorant, apricot and lemongrass. I do like apricot and I do like lemongrass. It's natural, does not need to be a compromise. Is that so? Woo! Oh my god. Ooh, this is nice. Both of those, apricot and lemongrass. Look at that. Can you see the inside? It has like bubblies. I don't know if you're gonna be able to. There you go, look. Bubblies. And it does smell really nice. It's very natural. It's gel glide. It says, oh, that's why it's the transparency. Aloe vera, calendula infused, baking soda free, and odor protection. All naturale. All natural. Look at this. Oh my god, I do like it. I do like it a lot. I like it a lot. Smell it, Luna. Yay! I have my kiddos here. It's fall break for us right now, so yay! Deodorant. Do you like? Okay. Next item. It's a little bar. It says RawRev Glow Radiance from the Inside Out birthday cake. Ooh! It's a bar with raw superfoods, 13 gram protein, and it's just a little bar, birthday cake. That's like that, just like that. We'll give it a go. Everything that we need to taste, we'll taste it in a minute. How about that? We'll go over here. A drink. There's always I've always gotten a drink on my boxes. Not all the time do I like them, but Rice, Nitro Brewing Co. Classic Latte. I barely drink a coffee. I actually have my mug right there. It says natural cold brew coffee, gluten free. I'm thinking I might like this. All the drinks goes to my husband. I do taste it, but he drinks it all the rest. And there's that coffee. Okay, that's a full size. See, you can test that full size. Okay, two things came out. It's probably inside. It says sleep. It says essence of Vali, sleep, a bedtime ritual. Oh look, it's right here. It's a little bottle right about there. Can you see it? It's a little bottle right there. It says, oh, I smell lavender. Let's see. Contains soothing essence of lavender flowers, cha-chang, cedar wood, marjoram leaves, glang, petals to calm you into a peaceful sleep and comfort during your times of stress. Yes, please. I do sometimes do oils, so I know this is very nice. It's a very tiny little thing, but that's what sample you would get if you go into. You need little bit of oil to work. And we got Go Organics. Go Organics. I extremely recommend these. I have gotten these as a sample, and I have gotten these as a full item. I've tried their detergent, their surface cleaners, and their dish soap that is extremely good. I have tried one of those, all of them, and I did put them in a video down in the description box. You will find that video as well. I do love them. I do recommend, fully recommend. Okay, next thing, I see the little black. Ooh, Real Chemistry. Yes, Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream. I don't know if I have tried this brand or I saw this brand. Either way, I ripped the box. Real Chemistry. Oh, it's a tiny little bottle. Look at that. It's so cute. Yes. Invisible Armor protects your Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream. Is that so? Is that so? It has a little Ooh, yes. Ooh, it smells like cream. Yes. That's nice. I don't know if I have tried this or if I've seen this or one of them too. Do like day cream. I like the little container. What about that?
I love trying.
Okay, next thing. Please. Oh. Ooh, look at this. Fuck. Is this a full-size item? Yes, it is. It's a heat holder. Yes, please. The winter is coming and I got some heat socks. Heat holder, the warmest thermal sock, original. Laboratory tested, Talk 2.3 laboratory toaster. Original, ladies 5 to 9. I am in the middle, 6. Shoe size. Men's is for 4 and 8. Made in Indonesia. Is that so? It's our advanced Japanese design thermal John provides permanent insulation with supreme moisture breathing abilities to soften. Our expected brushing process maximizes the amount of warm air. Over 7 times warmer than a basic cotton sock. Woohoo! This one has 2.5 flames, and then your basic cotton sock has 1 flame. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I think this won my heart. I do get, look at this. I do get, they're very large. Very, very large. Someone here has, shorts on. So, ooh, look at the inside. Can you see the inside? It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. The outside looks like York. Oh my goodness, I do love. I don't know if it's gonna work because I just put it on, but I like it. I like it a lot. Well, let's see. Next thing. The next thing here. Makeup eraser. I have tried this. I have actually gotten the sample directly from them. I asked for it, so I got it. It's the makeup eraser sample. Erase all makeup just with water. It's the original. And it says mermaid and makeup eraser, both magical and only require water. It's a little cloth in there. It's tiny little cloth. I'm gonna open it just so you can see. I already have used one, and I do recommend it. With just the little sample, you can get rid of your nasties from your eyes. Look at this. This is how the original will look. That's how if you buy it. Just a piece of the original. So this is just a piece of the original. Looks like the inside of the sock. Look at this. It's so soft. And this one, you just add a little bit of water. You wipe your eyes. And it's cha-ching. I do recommend this one. I have tried it. This is from, the brand is called Makeup Eraser. That's the brand. Makeup Eraser. Yay! Glad to have a clean one. And the next thing is the infomercials. For everything, we got the little glowing thing, the heat socks. Oh, looks like a little dino. Right, Nitro Brewing for the coffee, for the oil. It says green and gold for the deodorant. And the chemistry, introducing better formula, better price, and better size. For the green lotion. Yay! That is all that we got for today's box. I do like everything. I gotta tell you, the sock won my heart. The next is the deodorant. I have tried the makeup eraser, so it's a good item. I have tried the Go Organics by Greenshield soap detergent. It is great. The chemistry, real chemistry cream lotion here, it is also a good thing. And then the lavender sleep is also nice. I haven't tried it, but I'm pretty sure it will work because it's lavender. And the Rogue Glow cake thing, let's give it a little go. Let's give it a little try. Shall we? Shall we? Yes, we shall. Yes, yes. Birthday cake that looks like cookie dough. It just tastes like cookie dough. Birthday cake. And a little bit hint of coffee. Is that what it is? Yeah. Yeah. Well, that is all that I got for today's unboxing of the Daily Goodie Box. Remember to subscribe, and if you haven't done so, do so. Click like. Click down below if you already have this socks. And if you do, I will see ya next time. Catch you later. Bye-bye. I love my socks. Bye.
Yeah.